Welcome to Senior Inter Physics Smart or Digital Online Classes. Today's topic: Potential Energy of a System of 2-point Charges. I am RP sir. Potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. Let us suppose 2-point charges Q1 and Q2 are at A and B with position vectors R1, R2 relative to some origin O. Let us calculate the work done in bringing the charges Q1 and Q2 from infinity to the given locations A and B. The work done in bringing the first charge Q1 from infinity to point A is 0 because there is no external field. There is no external field to oppose it. Now the charge Q1 at A produces potential of V1 at B and is given by V1 is equals to one by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R12. Consider it is equation number 1. R12 is the distance between Q1 and Q2 charges. Now the work done to bring the charge Q2 from infinity to point B is W. W is equals to V1 into Q2. Equation number 2. Substitute 1 into, therefore W is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the total work done to build the system, and this is called potential energy of the system. The total work done to build the system is called potential energy of the system. Therefore, potential energy U is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the potential energy of the system of 2-point charges, and the potential energy of the system depends only on charges and the distance between them. Thank you.